Light back in with another video, and today on my game channel right now we're doing a 2K rebuild here. So I don't know if you've watched my welcome to my channel video, but I did say that I will actually be doing trying to get every team a championship rebuild. So I'm trying to get every championship every team a championship within the next 3 to 4 years. But like a super team, say like for example the Bucks, I'm trying to get at least 2, because they could win. Oh my god, sorry about that guys, I just dropped my controller. But yeah, like for example this super team, they could win a championship like this year, but I'll try and win another one for you guys. So yeah, let's do some random quickly. I'm just gonna stop in 3, 2, 1. We get the Nuggets. Okay, I'm gonna advance. Injuries are off, just so you guys know. Sorry if you can hear my chair like creaking and stuff. I'm gonna get a new chair. So yeah. Okay, we're advancing here. And I'm gonna load and download 2020 class. This one usually pops up, which is from a guy named Jack Move 916. He plays on. This is PlayStation, by the way. So yeah, we're using this one. I'm gonna keep these whatever there. And just to tell you guys, this isn't gonna be like terribly like realistic. I try to have a realistic kind of, but sometimes it doesn't work. I'm just curious to see what I can get for Nikola Jokic. I will not trade him. Rudy Gobert and Donovan Mitchell. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm just checking out what trades. Nothing that really catches my eye. Okay. So what I'm thinking of doing is hopefully playing the rest of this year how this is, but I'm probably gonna end up trying to trade Will Barton, just because we have Michael Porter Jr. as a starting small forward. And listen, I might keep him as a backup, but I don't think I will. Honestly, I might just go and try and get a different backup. Maybe, let's see if we got another one. To like Torrey Craig or something. And I might try and get rid of Noah Vonley, Mason Plumlee. I really like the way Bol plays in 2K. He actually turns out to be a really good player for the most part. So I'm gonna definitely use him as a backup. So yeah, so do we have our pick this year? Yeah, we have the Rockets pick. We don't have our own pick. Oh well. So it's probably gonna be high. So I'm gonna sim the rest of the season, and I'm gonna go. I'm probably, or actually, let me check right now if we have any contract extensions. Yeah, so it's not looking like we are all ineligible. I may try and get Paul Millsap back. I'm not sure. Same with Plumlee. I don't know about the rest of these guys, but yeah, I'll definitely sim to the end of the season, and I'll come back to you guys after the season. I'll show you guys how well we do. Okay, so it's the end of the season right now, and we go 48-34. Luka Doncic is their MVP. Rookie of the Year, John Morant. Sixth man is Yusuf Nurkic. Offensive Player of the Year is Kawhi Leonard. And Brad Stevens wins Coach of the Year, and Most Improved goes to Luka Doncic. Sorry, I thought something just happened there, and I didn't read it properly. But yeah, yesterday I did do like a test rebuild. And I wanted to see how I would make these videos and stuff. Yeah, so I had done that, and Luka Doncic was the MVP for like 4 years straight. So he's like proven to be really good. And do we have anyone? Second team All NBA Nikola Jokic. Sorry about that, guys. And Michael Porter Jr. wins second team all rookie. We are 5th seed. We're going up to the Lakers. And the Lakers have Rajon Rondo, Dion Waiters, LeBron James, Anthony Davis, Dwight Howard, JaVale McGee. They have a pretty stacked lineup. I don't know if we can beat them, but I'm going to definitely try. So we lose one game, we win one game, lose another game. We might get eliminated here, but yeah, we got eliminated. So first round exit for us. A little bit sad to see, but oh well. And also, I forgot to say this before, but also winning the conference would also not count as a championship, but like not as a huge fail. Because I'm not the absolute best at doing this kind of thing, so yeah, the Brooklyn Nets win the championship. Kevin Durant Finals MVP. Cool. I was thinking about maybe signing and trading Paul Millsap because I don't know if we're gonna get him back, or maybe not even signing him back at all. But anyways, I'm just gonna skip to the draft lottery because I don't really care about this. Okay, looks like we're gonna be all the way at 18. The Thunder, who originally had our pick, is 21. So we moved up a little bit. That's great. I wasn't paying attention to where the Rockets were. I'm gonna go and try and definitely go and try and trade Will Barton in the 18th pick. Let's see what I can get. Clint Capella, I'm not doing that though, since we have Jokic anyways, so it wouldn't really make sense. Definitely want to see. Yeah, we have Michael Porter. We're really looking for a point guard here. Yeah, there's nothing really catches my eyes. My eye. Oh, we need a shooting guard. Whoops. Okay, I just screwed up there. Oh well. But I'm gonna try and propose a trade here with Will Barton, 18th pick. I'm gonna try and get at least. I'm gonna try for 8. Oh, they surprisingly did it. And I'm gonna send to the draft. And yeah. Screen recorder just stopped, but I was recording basically. I was trying to move up using Monte Morris right now to get a higher pick so I can go higher in the draft. Currently I have the 8th pick. Yeah, so sorry about that, guys. I just lost all the free footage too. Sorry. Okay. I don't know if I should. What picks do you get? I'm solidly looking for basically picks. You know what? I'm gonna try and get pick 19 here for Monte Morris, whatever. Got 2 first round picks. What I'm gonna try now is I'm gonna try and move up with pick 8, pick 19. I know this probably won't work, but I'm gonna try 2. No, and yeah, I'm gonna try pick 3. What am I doing? Pick 3. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna. They want me to give them. I'm not giving them. Oh my God. You know what? I'm actually gonna just. Actually, I want to see if they'll give me. If I give them pick 8, pick 19, and give them. Let's see. 2020 or this Heat unprotected pick. See if they give me 2 at least. Because I really want to get Anthony Edwards. Oh my God. Let's go pick 3 inch. Pick 3. Alright, I'm just gonna draft these. Yeah, I'm gonna use these picks. And what I may do is switch Jamal Murray to a shooting guard, see his overall. So I'll come back to you guys with. Actually, I'll show you guys the draft. Yeah, I'm just gonna sim to my pick. See who's up. We can either get Cole Anthony or Killian Hayes here. Tyrese Halliburton. I think I'm gonna go for Cole Anthony here. I think he could be solid for us. So he should be alright. Let's see, pick 19. Should I take him? Should I take should I take Tyrese Maxey? Patrick Williams. Tyrese Maxey. Let's just get Tyrese Maxey. I think he could be a bench player for us. Yeah, Anthony Edwards went 1. Okay, we're picking up both. See team player options. False. Yeah, Jeremy Grant isn't. Oh well. Yeah, so let's go into our call and find offers. We'll offer him. I don't really need PJ Dozer back. I don't really need him anymore. And let's see. Okay, we need. I don't really want to. Really. Let's see if we can. Okay, we have too much fun. We're gonna have to like. Yeah, we can't really afford anyone right now. So what we're gonna have to do is. Archie. Here's the question here. Do I go for Paul Millsap or do I go for Davis Bertans? Millsap is. I have bird rights on Paul Millsap, so I'm gonna try and get him to a 2-year deal right here. What I might do is sign and trade him. So yeah, so I just. Okay, let me see what I may do actually is also sign. There's a guy named Terry McLaughlin or something, and he ends up being like a really good player. Just so you guys know. Okay, it's really looking like we just need Millsap. Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah. Oh, what's his name? Yeah, he's right here. Jordan McLaughlin. He actually turns really good in this game. Look, I played with him yesterday, and he was like a cheat code basically. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and get him. Yeah. So I'll tell you guys who I get and stuff after this. Yeah, I'll be back. Did end up getting this trade where I am now gonna sign and trade Millsap. So I'm giving away a 2020 first round pick, top 5 protected, for Tobias Harris. So I might experiment with Tobias Harris at the 4, or Michael Porter Jr. at the 3, or I might do it vice versa and see how it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Get this. Yeah, so yeah, I have to check on what overall he goes to, and yeah, after I finish changing the overalls, I am actually going to sim the rest of the season. So yeah, I'll update you guys next season. I'm simulating this game right now, and we are going 5-13 right now. It's been like literally a month. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to trade Tobias Harris. I'm gonna see what I can get for him, because he's just not helping the team properly. I could go for Chris Middleton here, but I don't think I want to do that. Could get the weight. I don't want to do that. Yeah, it's looking like I'm either gonna have to get rid of Michael Porter Jr. for some bench pieces, because I'm having no bench right now. And there's like no point guard. So I might have screwed up there. I know Michael Porter Jr. usually goes up in this game, but honestly, I think I might just roll this out. He keeps just offering for centers. Like, you know what? I'm gonna just finish this. Might be a losing year, guys, but anyways, yeah. The screen recorder closed again, and I was in the middle of doing this. But anyways, we were getting no recognition, except for Nikola Jokic going first team, and we have a losing record of 37-45. Yeah, so Cole Anthony actually makes it the first team rookie. Oh well, okay, it's fine. Did we even make the playoffs? No. So I'm just gonna simulate this playoffs. And yeah. So it's taking a little while. I'm doing this on my computer right now. Anyways, actually I'm just gonna skip ahead to the draft lottery, or if I have any news or something. Yeah, so something just happened here. So I sent the draft lottery, and I ended up getting the 8th pick. So that's great. I got it from the Pistons back in that Monte Morris trade for picks. Or if you rewind the video, you'll see I believe it was that. If my memory serves correct, I traded that. But my original pick went to 11 to the 76ers. So I'm gonna definitely try and get one if I can. Yeah. Yeah, I just have to check here. I do just have 8. So what I'm gonna try to do is again move up to 1 or 2 maybe. Because honestly, I really would like keep cutting it. see if this can... I don't think it's going to be able to move up to 1. You know what, honestly, I am not going to bother with getting the number 1 pick, but I want to see what I can get. I'll get the first pick. I'm not giving away Jamal Murray. You Campbell Walker. I'm not getting really that much good picks for... I want to see if I can get some picks for Tobias Harris. Yeah, because I definitely want to get rid of him. I could try and do this trade. I'm trying to get a power forward back. Domantas Sabonis. I'm doing this trade. I really want Sabonis on my team. He's a pretty good power forward too, so yeah, he's a little bit cheaper too, so that's great. Doesn't look like we're gonna have any picks though, so now we have Domantas Sabonis, so that's great. Hopefully Bobo's at 83, but the thing is he's on a 2-way contract, so that's great. Now we have a backup. That's good. I need to do something about point guard position. You know what? Let's see if I can see what I'm gonna be offered for the 8th pick. Fred VanVleet. He's a pretty good player. Wouldn't mind starting him at point guard. Get some picks now. You know what? I'm going for this. I think Fred VanVleet is like worth the money. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going with Fred VanVleet on this one. We're going all in next year. I think we have our starting 5. I'm gonna get rid of Collinson. I don't really need him anymore. And I'm gonna really trade him away from my picks. See. I'm gonna take I'm gonna take the Suns pick. I'm gonna give them whatever. Let's go with... I don't want to not pick in the second round. I really don't. Let's go with this. Why the hell not? Give me those picks. Yeah, I think we can go for a championship run with this team. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we should. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna sim to next season. I'll tell you guys if I uh yeah, I'll sim to next season. I'll tell you guys if I get any new additions or anything. So yeah, ended up doing 54 and 28. This team went on a huge leap. This is the best season yet. So look at Hodgson's MVP, RJ Hampton, Rookie of the Year. Bobo, Sixth Man of the Year. Yes. Anthony Davis, Defensive Player of the Year. DeAndre Ayton, Most Improved. Kenny Atkinson, Coach of the Year. Great. What the? Okay, so Nikola Jokic ends up getting third team. Bobo gets rookie first team. He's an 86 right now. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, so we are second seed right now. We're going up against the Memphis Grizzlies here, who got Ja Morant, Jordan Clarkson, Justin Winslow, Jaren Jackson, Valanciunas, and Ball. Like, they have a pretty good lineup right now. Okay, so I'm gonna simulate the round here. Please win. They won a game. Okay. Come on. Okay, we won. Okay, that was a close one there. Okay, we're going up against the third seeded Blazers, who have Damian Lillard, Trent Jr., Kawhi Leonard. Oh my god, this could be the end. They have Kawhi Leonard and Damian Lillard on the same team. Are you kidding me right now? I don't know what to say about this, but we could lose this round. Come on, Nuggets. Oh, we won. Holy crap, we won it. Okay. Honestly, wasn't expecting us to win. I'm going against the first seeded Mavericks, who got Jalen Brunson, Luka Doncic, KP, Draymond Green, Finney Smith, Enes Kanter, Seth Curry. Alright, they're a pretty good team too. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. Come on. Game 7. Oh. Alright, we just lost. Okay, just simulate this round. Okay, we actually made it. I'm gonna try and keep the team for one more year. Hopefully we can get it. The Hawks is champions. I mean, sorry. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and do the same thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down to draft lottery, and I'm gonna tell you guys if I add any additions, or if I'm going to add anyone or anything. So yeah. Okay, I ended up I'm basically running it back with the same team, but I didn't end up having to get rid of Andre Roberson. But I did get Kendrick Nunn. Yeah, so. And I also had to get rid of Fred VanVleet. He was too much money. Those two of them were too much money. So I just swapped a whole bunch of first round picks and Sincere Harris for a first round pick and Kendrick Nunn. This is going to be the last season, by the way. Yeah, so. Yeah. Yeah, so. I just want to check one last thing before I start simulating. Honestly, I might flip real quick. Hayes, Maxi. Let's see what I can get out of this. I'm hoping to at least Bledsoe. I'm trying to get a shooting guard. This is gonna be the last season. Okay. Chemistry is definitely gonna be a little bit messed up, but it should be alright come the last season. Yeah, I'm gonna go for Bogdan here. He's pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna sim to the rest to the end of next season. To you guys. Crashed again. Oh well, yeah, I finished 41 and 41. Right now I'm gonna be firing. Oh my, I can't. Yeah, I have to stick with Mike Malone on this one, but I wanted to fire him by accident. Oh well, I'm just gonna run it back. Same exact people. Oh, this guy's pretty good. Oh, just dropped my phone, so. Cool, Anthony, accept that. Whatever, I don't really. Okay, we gotta sign all these guys back, which is gonna be expensive. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to sign all these guys back. Definitely not signing back Kendrick Nunn. Oh, crap, and Jokic. So, we definitely need Jokic. Or Jokic, sorry. Sorry, didn't mean to offend anyone there. Bol is not the end of the world if we don't get him. We definitely need Michael Porter here. And I'm going to try Bol. Okay, we got both Michael Bol. Hell no. Okay, I thought it said renounce straight. Yeah, if it comes down to it. Oh my. How the Okay, I think we just lost Nikola Jokic. Great. So we just lost Nikola Jokic. This is not looking good. I guess Bol can be the replacement. Oh crap. That just screwed me in the ass. Oh my god. And, yeah, I'm gonna go back for Kendrick Nunn now. This is great. No. I'm gonna try and get someone a little bit cheaper, like a Ricky Rubio. Yeah, he's a little bit cheaper. Match both of them. Oh crap, oh my god, I just screwed up. Yeah, this could be the end of this challenge, right? Monty Morris. Matching all of this. Let me cap hold him. That won't really do anything. You know what, Bol's gonna be a starting center. I'm gonna get super. Make Cody Zeller real quick. And I'm gonna check on my roster right now. So we have Kendrick Nunn, Cole Anthony. We need a backup shooting guard. Yes, so we need basically a backup for everything. Yeah, we just need. So that is just great. Why not Dion Waiters? Yeah, I'm gonna do this one last season. After this, I'm done. How do you see I'm done? You know what? I'm gonna update you guys after next season. So yeah, did fairly better this season. We got a 43 and 39 record. So we were doing bad at the first part of the season, and we ended up doing pretty good. And sorry if I sound a little bit down. It's because it's kind of pretty late and I'm kind of tired. So yeah, Giannis MVP, Jalen Green, and and I did fire Michael Malone, so that's how we did better. Should have fired him last season. Didn't get a chance to. For the East seed. Could pull upset here. Who won a game? Who won 2 games? Who won 3 games? Come on, one more game. Oh my. Okay, that's a little bit enraging, guys, but how did we just lose? We were winning 3. Okay, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Anyways, leave a like, make sure to subscribe. And I forgot to say this. At the end of the end of these challenges and stuff, the team I do not win a championship with, for example, Nuggets, I will try this again, way different, but at the end though. So yeah. So for example is, I do my next rebuild with the Suns. I win the championship, I won't rebuild them. I do with the Golden State Warriors and don't get no championship, I will do it again. So don't worry if you're disappointed and you're like, oh man, why'd you do that? You didn't win a championship. I will do it again. Okay, so yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video. See you guys. Make sure to check out my other channel, which is called Yourboylight, which yeah, I do Lego stuff on and Star Wars stuff on. So yeah. Yeah, if you guys want. So yeah, see ya. Peace.